Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at Panasonic Multi-Groomer's Men's Trimmer for beard, hair and body. Let me show you the box first, then I'll open it and show you what comes inside. So on the top we have all-in-one precision trimming, advanced cutting system. Let's look at the left side and let's look at the back. Here's what some of the info is. So it does come with the 3 comb attachments, 11 to 20 millimeters, 1 to 10 millimeters, and this one is approximately 1.5 millimeters, used to groom body hair, including underarms, chest, shoulders, legs, and other areas. So here's a cool feature. It has water drain. It says an easy open water drain allows running water to flow freely through the unit for convenient cleaning. And this is one of the things I'm most excited about, is the slide up precision trimmer. And we also have the quick adjust dial, quickly adjust between 39 precision trim settings in 0.5 millimeter increments, so from 0.5 to 20 millimeters. And it also has a rubberized grip. And let me show you the last side. And here it says cordless, corded operation, use cordless or plug-in for longer use, washable, LED charge indicator, automatic universal voltage, meaning you can use this in Europe, USA, or wherever you live. Now let's open and see what comes inside. Here we go, let's pull it out. Let's put the box on the side. All right, first thing first, we do have the operating instructions, a manual. Seems a pretty thick book, probably a few different languages. And we'll leave that for some other time. Now we have the bag where we can put it if we're traveling, so like a travel bag. This looks like perfect size for that trimmer. You can probably add the attachments, probably the charger inside. I'll test that in a little bit. Let's see what's next. We do get the oil, which is a nice touch. I always recommend using oil from time to time. And let's check the comb attachments. We do get 3 of those. And here is one of the attachments. Now this one looks pretty unique. I haven't seen this before, but it has blades on both sides. Let's check the other ones as well. Maybe I'm just used to the smaller shavers, but this one looks pretty large as well. All right, so let's see what else is inside the box. I can see right off the bat a little brush, which is really important to have. This is a very firm brush. So once you're done using it, you can just brush off the little hairs of the blade. Looks like a good quality. I like that. I love that it comes with the brush and oil as well. Very important. Now let's check the charger next. Now, so this is rechargeable, but you can also use it plugged in, and it's a very long cord, probably at least 6 feet. That's nice. We have the 2-prong outlet. Here are the specs on this side. And now let's check the main thing, the trimmer itself. And here is how the trimmer looks. As you guys notice, it does have that 3rd comb attachments on top. So to remove it, all you have to do is just push up on your finger and just slide it off. Now let me show you how the other ones work. So you have to find the back side. Now once you have the back side, all you have to do is just press it inside. And it's very firm. Now to remove it, again, use your finger to slide it up, and that's how you remove it. Now let's check that precision trimmer. So it just slides up. So it has a really nice spot for your finger, so you can easily slide it up and down. Really nice. And here's how the blades look. And here is how the front looks. On the front, I can see the 3 lights. That's for charging, so you know how much juice you have and when it's going to be charged. Then we have this dial. Now let's just see how easy it is to adjust this. So you can do it from the front, but you can also do it from the back. And here on the bottom, we have where the charge port goes. And let's see how, and let's check how easy it is to plug it in. So we have the charge port. And here we go. And that's how you plug it in. As I mentioned, the cord is very long, so you can actually use it plugged in, or you can use it as wireless because it does have battery inside. Now let's check how it sounds. Hopefully it still have some battery, and here we go. It's not loud at all. Let me see how this precision trimmer works. So if we bump it up and then we turn it on. Look at that, it shades really nice, very smooth after. It does have a really nice look to it. It's not big, it has this rubberized bottom and it just fits nicely in the hand. And I love that it has this precision trimmer, and this can be used with one hand, as you guys can see. So that's a nice touch. Another thing is the dial. Again, it can be used with one hand easily. When it comes to the weight, it doesn't weigh a lot, which is very surprising. I thought this would be a very heavy trimmer looking at the size of it, but it's actually not. All right, so I showed you what comes inside and how this trimmer looks. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.